The second part is I can make an equivalent fraction by essentially choosing any number that I want. So in this case, if we're still working with our half, to make an equivalent fraction, I can choose to multiply this by any number. So maybe I want to start with 10. 1 times 10 is 10. 2 times 10 is 20. Therefore, 1/2 is equivalent to 10 over 20. Maybe I want to take it a step further. Maybe I want to say, well, 1/2 is also the same as, this time I'm going to multiply by 100. So I get 100 over 200. Also equivalent. And finally, I could also do something in the middle. So I could say 1/2 times 50 is the same as saying 50 over 100, or 50 hundredths, which takes me to a decimal of 50 hundredths. Another way to look at this is saying that I have 50 for every, or what we use the word per, 100. So 50 per 100. Every time I add 100, I add 50. Every time I add 50, I add 100. It's half. So I would say 50 per 100. And another way that we say 100 is cent. So in this case, I would have 50 per cent, or I can write it as 50%.